Hello guys, today we are going to learn Savarlu. These are very simple steps and this video is specially dedicated to those who are young at heart, the oldies who requested to keep simple steps which anyone can do. The first entry, the first set of music which goes leave that music part. The second piece of music we start by an entry. Now I have put Bihu here, as many people said the music is typically Bihu. So I go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But you can also make it easy and just enter like this or like whichever way you want. Now for Bihu, you have to keep your legs like this, okay, feet together, and bend your knees slightly like this, and then as if you're pushing back, okay, so back, 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 okay. Now this is where you keep your hands, like this, and your elbows are like this, as if somebody were to pull you, when people pick you up, you've seen this kind of, being picked up, that kind of hand. Your elbows are like this and your hands, palms are like this. And then you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget this. This would constantly, go on. And you do step together, step together, step together, then step together, step together, step together. Now with this, give slight jerks with your shoulders, back, 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 back. Okay, now that is the first step. Then it goes हवा के झोंके आज. So this is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. With the hands you do 1, 2, 3. So हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए. Telling somebody, oh, I don't like you. Today I have fought with you. So रूठ गए. So it's not really angry, but slightly, I don't like you now, that kind. Slightly naughty kind of look. So it goes हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए, गुलों की शोखियाँ जो भंवरे आज लूट गए. Okay, then you do badal here. So with this step, you're going to go out slowly and then cross your leg. Okay. Then 2, 3. So it goes back, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it will be step and look in the corner, 2, 3, 4. So बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों ना मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा. इसी बहाने is, like I told you, the palms facing upwards and as if you are carrying 2 diyas, and you do 1, 2. Then you bring this hand here near your elbows, and with this hand make a small round. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, as if you're drying your hair or some insect is there and you're trying to take it out. So how do you do it? 1. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Savarnu you can do different steps. Basically it means that you get yourself made up, do some makeup, do some refreshing, wear some jewelry or something like that. So you can do one. I am wearing a kada. Again with the other hand I am wearing a kada. Then I am, you know, dressing up my face. So I'm looking at my face in the mirror, and then I'll wear a earring or something like that. So there are 4 savarnus. You can do savarnu, 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 savarnu. Okay. Then there is a music. When the music starts, ting, 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 you go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. There are 4 counts. How do you go about it? You go on your toes and do 1, 2, 3, 4. And what do you do with your hands? You take your hands like this, you know, in blade hands. This I taught you in jazz. These are blade hands. So this, and you do up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 counts, it wouldn't be complete. It will end at 6 because again immediately the second Hawa ke Jhoke starts. So you do Hawa ke Jhoke aaj mausam se root gayi. Okay. So this is the same step, the first step. So I won't repeat it. Then you take your right leg ahead, keep it here. You take your left leg like this and keep it on the toes. You keep your left hand like this, you know, palms facing down, and no mudras, nothing, just plain like this. And with your right hand you make a fist and you know, like this. So your elbow is towards the audience, but this is out. Okay, and you do this. So हवा की झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए. फूलों की झोंकियाँ सेकंड वाले आज भंवरे आज लूट गए. In this, what are you going to do? You're going to make a single finger mudra like this. Keep your hands like this, okay? And bhavre. So we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slight, you know, have you seen these insects, you know, drinking from the flower? So as if you are a buzzing bee. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then you're going to do 1 and 2, 3 and 4. How do you go about it? You keep your hands like this out. You bend your, you know, elbow like this. You take your right leg ahead like this and be on your toes. So toe, cross, out and toe. Toe, cross, out and toe. So it will be right toe, left cross, right flat, left toe. Then toe again with the left, cross again with the right, open with the left and toe with the right. And the hands are going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and keep this down here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So this is हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए. गुलों की शोखियाँ जो भंवरे आज रूठ गए, बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा. ओके, इसी बहाने दे मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा. So your dil is, doing that. So you are basically saying, oh, take it easy. So zara. Okay. Then again it is sawarlu, the second sawarlu. So in this you do sawarlu, 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 sawarlu. So how do you go it? Again 4 sawarlu, you can interchange them. I am not fixing any particular thing, but I am going to start with my earring, then my hand, then earring, and then tickly or something like that.